Mount Prau stands proudly at 2,565 meters above sea level, the highest peak of Dieng Plateau. It's surrounded by trees and farm plantations. Situated in the quiet town of Wonosobo, Mount Prau is indeed a heaven within a heaven. The climb up to the peak was not easy as you think. There is a short trek named Patak Banteng. It's only take 1.5 hours to reach the peak of Mount Prau, but the trek are mostly steep. If you're looking a beautiful landscape or easier track, you can start from Darawati. It's gonna take 3 hours to the peak with a steeper track. The good thing if you start from Darawati, you will see a beautiful sunset with Mount Slamet as a background. Also, you are going to pass beautiful savannah before reaching the camping ground. To see the sunrise, it was very gorgeous on Mount Prau. You will see sunrise with 5 mountains in the background. It's really worth it to climb Mount Prau.